Hey guys, welcome back to day 18. Today is going to be a really simple and short video. I've already wrapped up my gift in this little pouch that's got mushrooms on it. I actually got this from Michael's forever ago and it came in a 3-pack and it had a couple of different designs. Ignore Merle meowing in the background. He's trying to get to one of his toys. So I'm using my Crop-A-Dile there to punch a hole in that tag and then add an eyelet. And then I'm just going to kind of play around with some layering here to figure out, what other pieces I can add to this to bulk it up a bit. So I'm going to take one of those flags and a snowflake, I believe. I'm not sure if I use the star. I don't think I do. So just playing around here, seeing what will work. Trying to see if I can use up some of those clear stickers that I have. You guys have seen those in a couple of videos, and of course those puffy stickers as well. So I think we're going to go with the Merry Christmas. I can't talk today. It is early Sunday morning and I just woke up. Going with the Merry Christmas, and then I've really been loving using these little hats to put on top of things on my tags. So I'm going to give that 8 there a little hat. Alright, now the next thing that I'm going to do is just keep playing around with layering elements, and then I'm going to start to tie everything together with my baker's twine. And then you see I've got those red glitter clothespins over there to the right, and I've been trying to use up those quite a bit as well. So that's what I'm going to use to attach everything. Ignore Merle and his bell in the background. He's carrying it around the house. He's so proud of it, like he just killed a bird or something. He's strutting around. Alright, so I'm just layering, trying to figure out what I like and what will go first and next and all that. Okay, so once I've got everything attached and hot glued together, I'm going to see what else I can add on there. And I also had a bunch of these little chipboard ephemera pieces, and that poinsettia seemed to really work right there. So I'm going to add that on and then get out my baker's twine and start attaching everything. So if you do find yourself in a situation where you have something that's kind of difficult to wrap, it has to have a box in order for it to fit and be wrapped really easily, try using a cloth bag or a pouch. These actually work really great. I believe what's in here is socks, so they fit really well in the pouch. And I didn't have to worry about finding a box for them. It just slipped them in there and it was perfect. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos, and I hope you'll come back for the rest of this week to see the final few videos. Merry Christmas!